In this video, you will learn how to navigate your Canvas solo course. This is the homepage for the solo course. Under course navigation, you can see different modules that are in the solo. You can click on these module buttons to quickly navigate to different modules. To the right up here, you will see your course to-do list as well as buttons to view the course stream, calendar, and notifications. Over to the left, you will see another course navigation menu that can be expanded and collapsed using this hamburger icon up here. We'll leave it expanded for this demonstration. You can view your modules here as well as assignments, discussions, grades, quizzes, no-show check-in, and more. Clicking on the modules link will take you to a detailed overview of course modules. Completion tracking is enabled for the solo as well. You can track your progress and see what is required and needed to be completed by reviewing this page. Completed tasks and assignments will have a green check mark next to them like you can see here. And completed modules will also receive this check mark when all tasks and assignments are completed in them, as you can see here. You will not be able to navigate to later sections in the solo without completing prior sections first. Next, let's go over how you'll be navigating the modules. Navigating the solo course is very easy to do. After completing a section, simply click on the next button to navigate to the next section of the current module. You can go back to previous sections by clicking on the previous button here. To go back to the course homepage, click on the home button in the navigation menu up here. If you have any issues while attempting to complete your solo, please contact the Online Learning Office for assistance. This concludes this tutorial for navigating the Canvas solo. Thank you for watching.